Okay. Big up my multi-dimensional entities. Big up my multi-dimensional entities. I'm talking truth and now they're thinking traumatic's mad. I'm talking truth though the truth is I'm a savage lad. Truth heard so I kill him using tragic facts. We need to be responsible and take the planet back. Listen, human beings must be blinded by cataracts. So I'm tying razors on my hands and giving them happy slaps. People panic and the place is getting manic fam. Every human being must die to save the habitat. So fuck it, I'm going mad and grabbing cash. Growing hydroponics and I'm feeding them organic mass. Grabbing handfuls of cannabis from plastic bags. Then I'm rolling up and smoking up the magic fags. I'm making oils from the birds, I'm also dabbing wax. I'm doing big bombs of Mandy, then I'm shagging slags. I'm taking massive dabs of LSD and acid tabs. I don't do the crack, so I stay away from smashing slabs. When it comes to psychedelics, I'm a master. I'm activating all my low and higher chakras. I'm smoking DMT and drinking ayahuasca. Then I'm eating magic mushrooms with my fish and pie and pasta. I'm like a rasta, all I do is smoke the herbal. Infinite supply, I don't need a home to burgle. Never. Every day I got the grades, no commercial. And I'm mentally a mess and in my head there's loads of hurdles. Now I'm tripping out on ecstasy, the roads are purple. I'm seeing sacred symmetry and rows of circles. No rehearsal, I'll be the first to mention. Every second of the day I wanna leave the third dimension. You can learn ascension by taking psychedelics. Only natural plants though, cheap drugs are quite pathetic. I'm like a crazy scientist, I'm like a medic. Cause these psychedelic compounds have altered my genetics.
If you live, and you haven't had a heavy psychedelic experience and you haven't gone on an isolation tank, you've missed out. You've missed out on a huge chunk of what life really is. Life is a massive fucking mystery. And there's only a few different ways to really crack below the surface of that mystery. And the best way is psychedelics. And the heavier the psychedelic, the better. And guess what? No one's dying from psychedelics. All our thoughts on psychedelics are all based on bullshit propaganda that we heard about people, going crazy or losing their minds on. You're not going to go crazy. You're going to go fucking insane. All right? All that stuff is going to remove your ego and it's going to explain to you what the world is really all about. Best way is psychedelics.
I'm a psycho, turn up to the beat, feeling so blown. Blow up to the rhythm, let the night flow. I'm buzzing like a beat to the vibe, so hot, that's fine, cause I'm feeling like a psycho. Get into the night on the dance floor. Sweat out to the groove, give me one more. Still buzzing from the lights to the vibe, so hot, that's fine, cause she's dancing like a psycho. Turn up to the beat, feeling so blown. Blow up to the rhythm, let the night flow. I'm buzzing like a beat to the vibe, so hot, that's fine, cause I'm feeling like a psycho. Get into the night on the dance floor. Sweat out to the groove, give me one more. Still buzzing from the lights to the vibe, so high, that's fine, cause she's dancing like a psycho.
Here we go.
I'm a psycho, turn up to the beat, feeling so blown. Blow up to the rhythm, let the night flow. I'm buzzing like a beat to the vibe, so hot, that's fine, 'cause I'm feeling like a psycho. Get into the night on the dance floor. Sweat out to the groove, give me one more. Still buzzing from the lights to the vibe, so hot, that's fine, 'cause she's dancing like a psycho. Damn.
In the mix.
I'm a psycho, turn up to the beat, feeling so blown. Blow up to the rhythm, let the night flow. I'm buzzing like a beat to the vibe, so hot, that's fine, 'cause I'm feeling like a psycho. Get into the night on the dance floor. Sweat out to the groove, give me one more. Still buzzing from the lights to the vibe, so hot, that's fine, 'cause she's dancing like a psycho. Turn up to the beat, feeling so blown. Blow up to the rhythm, let the night flow. I'm buzzing like a beat to the vibe, so hot, that's fine, 'cause I'm feeling like a psycho. Get into the night on the dance floor. Sweat out to the groove, give me one more. Still buzzing from the lights to the vibe, so hot, that's fine, 'cause she's dancing like a psycho.
When these dark days turn to black, pain hangs round like a plague in your stomach, and these dark fuck it all. So this is it, when you take a stand. You clench your fists and draw a line in the sand. Close your eyes, pray for strength, don't even give a fuck. The world's on fire, when there's no giving up. These dark days last a lifetime. The pain hangs round like a blade in your stomach, and these heartbeats turn to flat lines. You better start running, I can hear the battle drums coming. I can hear the battle drums coming. I can hear the battle drums coming. 1, 2, 3, go! I can hear the battle drums. I can hear the battle drums. I can hear the battle drums. So this is it, when you take a stand. You clench your fists and draw a line in the sand. When these dark days last a lifetime, the pain hangs round like a blade in your stomach, and these heartbeats turn to flat lines. You better start running, I can hear the battle drums coming. I can hear the battle drums coming. Fuck! I can hear the battle drums coming. I can hear the battle drums. I can hear the battle drums. These dark days last a lifetime. The pain hangs round like a blade in your stomach, and these heartbeats turn to flat lines. You better start running, I can hear the battle drums coming. got witches in the trap house, witches in the trap house. We sippin' lean and puffin' green with demons. We got witches in the trap house.
Hocus pocus, don't you